नमस्कार आपका स्वागत है एंड फर्स्ट वी वांटेड टू आस्क when we meet so like how you got this show can you tell something about
Actually, I was in touch with the people associated with All Right TV for a lot of other shows which didn't pan out. So they were very interested in offering me this character. And this time it was something that I could do in my bandwidth. So I was like, why not? And I jumped on the opportunity and everything aligned and we went ahead.
so can you tell what character you're playing in this
Yes, I'm playing Naina as you can see in Veer Meets Naina and बहुत ही मज़ा आया मुझे किरदार निभाकर क्योंकि इसमें वो मुझे रोमांस मिला जो बहुत दिनों से मिसिंग था मेरी लाइफ में भी सीन्स में भी स्क्रिप्ट में भी और बाकी जो उसमें सर्वाइवल है स्पिरिट वो तो मेरे अंदर है ही तो कुछ चीज़ें कनेक्ट भी करी कुछ चीज़ें डिफरेंट भी मिली एंड दे वर ऑल ब्रेथ ऑफ फ्रेश एयर.
how is different from other shows if you can tell
Yeah, it is a lot of soft romance, subtle romance, one with the hero, and then there is one obsessive toxic romance with the villain. And it is a show with a lot of twists and turns and dramas, and every episode you will be like, "Ab kya hoga?" So yeah, I think it is the stakes are so high in every episode that you are gonna have fun when you watch it.
how was the experience working with the co-actors
This time I had a good co-actor. I mean, not that the others were bad, but this man was very well versed with the craft, and I had something new to see in him, something different. And he was very spontaneous, so we would do some scenes on the spot improvising. I didn't have to think before I improvised, so that was good part for like about working with Mohit. He's Mohit who plays Veer. So I think it was fun to do the character with him.
so how was your this first day on the shoot like any experience you want to share on the show like on the shoot you want to share
Yeah, first day was fun. There was a lot of running and chase going on. So and the location was very beautiful, by the way. I had a lot of fun on the location because the little jumps from the tree that Mohit did and how we were hiding in places. So, all that hide and seek and the chase that happened on the first day uh, was very beautiful, and it was the setup was very, very beautiful. Something to look forward to.
any one sweet memories you want to share with the fans or the audience
Yeah, I mean, if you want a lighter but something that gives you a lot of edge romance, please watch Veer Met Naina.
who was working with the director
She was brilliant. She was actually she was actually our. She was not just the director. She was a lot more than that because it was a female director first of all, and no offense to the male directors, but female directors have a lot more depth which they want to add to the character, not just to the shot. So that's what I found slightly different working with her.
any learnings from the any learnings from any of your co-actors because every artist
I
learns
think
something.
from my director only. I learned a lot from her. She was very compassionate, very empathetic. There was a lot of script left by the last day, but still she never panicked, and the panic didn't reach us. Every scene we would do with our own little time. Of course, we extended the shift, but having said that, we had a beautiful time working on the script because there was certain kind of shared respect for the material, and they all wanted something good to come out, and I had a beautiful bond with her and I cherished that.
So you enjoyed a lot with so
I did
I think it is coming in vertical and horizontal if I'm not
both.
correct.
Yeah, it's a micro drama, but it'll come in both formats, vertical and horizontal.
So what are the upcoming things which fans you want to like to
I
share
mean, there is a lot with All Right TV that is lined up for sure, and I'm very excited for that.
so you're actually in the industry I guess for the past
Four and a half years,
so how
yeah.
has been experience like if you compare films and TV it's like you have not done any film
See, film I have yet not experienced. Web show I have done. I have done 3 television shows, and I've done handful of micro dramas. So I mean, that makes 3 platforms. and 3 kind of formats to talk about. Obviously, there is some kind of credibility attached to web shows and fun that comes that is offered to the actor, but it's somewhere similar to microdramas as well, because we don't have to live this character for another 7-8 months. Character comes and goes, which adds a lot of freshness to our life and what we can add creatively to the piece that is offered to us. So that's something common between microdrama and web show. Most definitely the level of difficulty is different. And television, I would say it is more of a hard work for the actor comparatively, because it's a lot more burden, a lot more responsibility, a lot more life on stake, because it's like a contract for a year. Here we go ahead and do it in a few days of span. So a lot of fun we have, a lot that we are looking forward to. Jitna bhi hai, we put in that and give it power packed performances. And then we take a break and we recharge and we come back. In television, that is not the case. We have to show up every day. Of course, we expand our capacities to show up every day. But we do get exhausted also sometimes. Sometimes we run out of our creativity. Sometimes that does not happen in microdrama. So that's one plus that we have here.
As an actor, whom you admire?
Whom I admire?
Yeah.
Good question. As an actor, I admire a lot of actors in the West. In our country, I think I would say Amitabh Bachchan ji. Not a cliche answer, it is true. I do admire him. I do admire the way he has revamped himself every time, because it's not easy to maintain a career this long. I mean, it's not just about 10 years, 20 years. I mean, so many years, so many times you renew yourself. You put yourself to do something that nobody has ever done before. So yeah, I admire him for that. And of course, I admire him for his discipline, for every other thing that an actor should be admired for, all his professionalism, but mainly for the times that he has gone through that process of rebirth. So yeah, that I really admire.
So as an actor, how your day starts?
Like every other day, of course, with a warm water and ginger and some lemon and those things that can put my belly on fire.
Are you getting any offers of reality shows?
Actually, I'm not into reality shows, but yeah, I would like to get some offers for some good scripts on web shows.
If you get an offer for the Big Boss upcoming, so would you like to go?
Which one?
Big Boss.
No, sorry to say that, but maybe I don't have that much courage to put my whole life out there. It takes a lot from an actor or a human being to put everything on screen. Everything. आपकी पर्सनल लाइफ की एक एक चीज़ आप स्क्रीन पे डाल रहे हो. आप क्या करते हो सुबह से लेके शाम तक, 7-8 महीने के लिए आप उसको वो कर रहे हो. आई डोंट थिंक आई हैव दैट करेज, और मे बी दैट आई एम नॉट दैट अनफिल्टर्ड इन लाइफ कि आई कैन गो ahead with that. I don't think so. And salute to everybody who goes there every year and becomes a part of it.
How much important social media plays in your life? Like, is it plays an important role in your life?
Absolutely. It is an actor's profile. In today's day and age, if you strictly look at it as work, it is very important. It will help you to do that rebirth that Amitabh Bachchan ji has been doing since century. That you can do through your social media. You can change your platform, you can change your vibe, you can change the human being you are and put yourself out there and sell yourself a little bit more. Do your own PR, be your own spokesperson. So yeah, but it does impact a lot to your brain when you see only the highlight and joy of somebody else's life, or you put forward only the joy and highlight of your life. So it is very unfair for the people who are watching you. मैं समझ सकती हूँ कि हमेशा आप अपनी दुख भरी कहानियाँ नहीं बता सकते, because लोग अपनी दुनिया से एस्केप पाने के लिए एंटरटेनमेंट देखते हैं और दुख देखने के लिए नहीं देखते हैं. एंड राइटली सो. मैं चाहूँगी कि कोई मेरी चीज़ देख के खुश होके निकले, ना कि ये सोचे अरे इसके साथ तो कितना, आई डोंट वांट दैट. बट एट द सेम टाइम कई बार कुछ लोग वो जो मोमेंट्स ऑफ जॉय है, जो फ्लैशेस हम अपने लाइफ के डालते हैं, पीसेस, फ्रैगमेंट्स, जो सिर्फ एक छोटा हिस्सा होता है, लोग उसको पूरी ज़िंदगी समझ लेते हैं और उसके बेसिस पे आपको जज करते हैं. वो आई थिंक वो आपके माइंड पे सही इम्पैक्ट नहीं रखता है. बट एज एन एक्टर दैट इज़ अ वेरी गुड टूल टू हैव. एज ए ह्यूमन बीइंग आई डोंट थिंक इट्स अ वेरी गुड टूल टू हैव.
We currently lots of reality shows आ रहे हैं और काफी और भी सब आ रहे हैं.
या आई मीन
चेहरा चेंज हो चुका है.
हाँ मैं देख रही हूँ एक्चुअली.
फिल्म्स कम हो रही हैं. तो इसके
हाँ सैड.
तो मतलब ये सही है क्या, मतलब क्योंकि उसमें भी
यार जो भी है कुछ बदलाव तो आना चाहिए. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि कोविड के बाद से सिनेमा ने कैच अप नहीं कर पाया है.
जी जी
कोविड के बाद से कुछ गड़बड़ हुई है. कोविड के पहले तक चल रहा था सब, उतना खराब नहीं था, ठीक था. इट वॉज नॉट एग्जैक्टली लाइक हाउ सिनेमा यूज टू बी अर्लियर, बट इट वॉज नॉट दैट बैड. बट सिनेमा आफ्टर कोविड तो भाई काफ़ी डाउनहिल जा चुका है, विच आई फील नीड्स टू कम बैक. इट्स टाइम टू मेक अ कम बैक for everybody. यार we all love cinema. It's reality show cannot eat up. I love reality shows. I love to watch Traitor. I love to watch Alliances. और भी जो नए नए गेम्स आने वाले हैं जो हम देख सकते हैं, देखेंगे, एंटरटेन होंगे. बट दे आर नॉट सिनेमा, दे आर नॉट स्टोरी टेलिंग, दे आर नॉट समथिंग दैट वी वर ऑलवेज प्राउड ऑफ एज इंडियन कल्चर. वो तो गया, ऐसे थोड़ी हो सकता है. वो नहीं जाना चाहिए, वो रहना चाहिए. Not that only I want to be a part of it, but audience should be subjected to something brilliant.
you're right totally, but don't you think that kids are affecting
Kids are
affecting
the cinema.
this reality show? They're very
मतलब बच्चे ज़्यादा देख रहे हैं.
हाँ ज़्यादा देख रहे हैं, फिर काफी चीजें लाइक कुछ
यार मुझे अटेंशन स्पैन का खेल भी लग रहा है थोड़ा.
थोड़ा सा बच्चे भी हैं, फिर इसमें देखते हैं मोबाइल्स पे भी सब चीजें आती, गाली गलौज काफी चीजें कुछ आपको पता है.
तो गाली गलौज तो मूवीज में भी होती है यार, वो देखेंगे ना.
थोड़ा सा आपको लगता है क्या सही है कि गलत है?
यार देखो ये सब पहले से एग्जिस्ट करता है. वो तो फैमिली में भी एग्जिस्ट करता है. अगर आप फैमिली के स्ट्रक्चर में देखेंगे तो मम्मी पापा की लड़ाई वो भी तो बच्चे देखते हैं. वो क्या सही है? बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें जो बच्चे गो थ्रू करते हैं जो सही नहीं है. तो सिर्फ एक एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री को ब्लेम करना भी सही नहीं है. ऑफ कोर्स गाली थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो तो रहा है, आई अग्री. पर क्या सही है क्या नहीं ये तो वी आर नोबडी टू डिसाइड. बच्चे यार इंटेलिजेंट हैं. दे एग्जैक्टली नो व्हाट टू पिक अप एंड व्हाट नॉट टू पिक अप. दे शुड नो. आई मीन इतना सोशल मीडिया इज गोइंग टू बी थ्रोन एट देम, सो आई थिंक दे शुड बी रेडी to be able to handle and to be able to take the better of it.
So any message to the audience, fans?
Yeah, I mean, let's collectively do something about cinema. अच्छी movies देखने जाना चाहिए guys.
It has been like said काफी, जैसे मैंने आपके वीडियो रिसेंटली कहा, जैसे फिल्में जो है जो भी, so आपको लगता है कि फिल्में ऑफिस से जैसे कंट्रोस में वही इसमें होंगी जैसे as a kid what you like, मतलब
Yeah, I loved it.
छोटे थे.
यार वी ऑल लाइक दीज मूवीज, कभी खुशी कभी गम, और जो हम फैमिलीज के साथ देखने जाते कितनी बड़ी हुआ करती थी. दे वर एन इवेंट इन इटसेल्फ. जैसे दिवाली की हॉलीडे है ना, वैसे एक पिक्चर होती थी एंड वो पिक्चर आपके साथ रहती थी कुछ दिनों तक. वो एक्सपीरियंस आपके साथ रहता था. वो रियलिटी शोज या टेलीविजन या माइक्रो ड्रामा नहीं दे पाएगा, राइट? आई थिंक माइक्रो ड्रामा कैन गिव यू सम एक्सपीरियंस ऑन एन इंडिविजुअल लेवल बट नॉट एज अ कलेक्टिव एक्सपीरियंस. तो भाई मूवीज़ तो मूवीज़ हैं. आई थिंक वो आनी चाहिए और वो आएंगी. गिव इट सम इयर्स एंड यू सी दे विल कम बैक. इवन वेब शोज आने चाहिए फॉर दैट मैटर. वो भी थोड़ा कम है. आई फील मोर शुड बी देयर.
All the best for your show.
Yeah, thank you.
Naina.
Yeah,
All the best wishes from us.
thank you.
So much.
Thank you.